Hey everybody, I got something new for you today. It's Thanksgiving week, and so I'm going to use a single image and use ChatGPT to draft my Thanksgiving Day menu, the recipes, the preparation guide, and the shopping list for everything that I need for my meal for Thanksgiving. So let's jump into it. Now, before I get started, you have to have the paid version of ChatGPT to pull this off. So make sure you have that. Now, let's start with the image. So I went on the internet and I found this image. This is far better than anything, and this is where I got it. Halfbakedharvest.com. This is like their 2019 menu. And I saved this image. This has got everything, right? This looks amazing, far beyond anything I could make. So I figured, okay, let's see if I feed this to chat, what it'll come up with. So this is part one. Part two is a pretty amazing prompt. And I will copy this in. Okay, so here's the prompt. Now, if you're new to ChatGPT, this is a great lesson in giving a great deal of context for your prompts with ChatGPT, all right? So instead of just saying, hey, I'm thinking of I need to make a turkey dinner or Thanksgiving dinner, this is a great deal of context. I'm planning a Thanksgiving dinner for number of adults and number of children. Using the attached image as inspiration for the menu, please create a complete menu that includes a main dish, side dishes, bread, and a dessert based on the visual elements and ingredients in the image. Provide detailed recipes for each dish with instructions and quantities tailored to the guest count. Additionally, create a comprehensive shopping list categorized by sections, like an example, produce, dairy, pantry staples, etc. The menu should reflect the style and flavors depicted in the image, balancing traditional Thanksgiving elements with creative or modern twists, and include kid-friendly options. Suggest beverages to pair with the meal and provide tips for coordinating preparation and serving the dishes. Okay? So that's a pretty kick-ass prompt. So I'm going to say we're going to have 12 adults and 4 children. Okay? Now I'm going to attach the image I've saved. And I didn't modify the image at all. It's got some random numbers. I don't know if we can see it here. It doesn't say the file name, but I didn't even change the file name. Okay, so it's just like a bunch of random numbers. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Let's check out the menu here. We've got the main dish. We have a herb roasted turkey with apple and sage. Side dishes, sweet potato casserole, butternut squash, creamy mashed potatoes. Okay, this is all great. Bread, desserts, and beverages here. Now it's broken down each item with a recipe, and it actually has given us all the quantities of all the ingredients that we need and instructions for each item. This is all very good. The sweet potato casserole. Okay, instructions. Butternut squash, instructions, okay. Cranberry sauce, shaved Brussels sprouts. It's great. Oh, if we actually want to make the dinner rolls here, okay. Now the shopping list. It's broken it down here. Produce, dairy, pantry staples, baking, snacks, preparation tips. Day before, it lists the dishes I can make ahead of time, the morning of, and in the final hour, okay? Now, what I'd actually like is for it to add the quantities to the shopping list. So let's modify that. Please add the quantities that are needed to the shopping list. Okay, so now it is updated the shopping list with quantities for everything, and it's mentioned like which dish it's for, which is really great. This is a really great detailed list now. Okay, so that was one little modification we did to it. Okay, so this is supposed to be an AI and marketing channel. How the heck does this relate to anything related to growing a business or a YouTube channel or anything like that? Well, number one, you got to have some fun every once in a while. Number two, this is exactly what you could use. This would be phenomenal for creating a content calendar for Instagram. The same approach. So if you have a visual or an aesthetic that you're trying to pull off, whether it be for your content, for your YouTube channel, for an event, you can use this exact same process to gather messaging information, content to get ideas that would align with your aesthetic. This could be an amazing tool. And so to help you out, I have another prompt, which I've got a template of this prompt for you to use so you can fill in your information for your own use. Let's take a look at it. I'm planning some type of event, project, content calendar, product launch for a specific audience, okay? I'd like to use the attached image as inspiration. Please create a detailed plan, content calendar, whatever, that includes the following: a complete breakdown of the tasks, themes, content types, specific ideas or strategies for a desired outcome, engaging the audience, detailed steps or recipes for execution tailored to the project's scale and goals, a comprehensive list of resources or tools needed categorized by type, suggestions for coordination and time management to ensure all elements are ready and delivered on time. As an option, recommend additional elements, promotional strategies, partnership opportunities, or unique value adds to enhance the project's success. Okay? Please ensure that the plan reflects the style and elements in the image or theme, balancing creative or modern touches with practical execution. Tailor all recommendations to align with the specific goals, target audience, engagement, content delivery, timelines, etc. All right, so this is a great tool, fantastic for brainstorming. Thank you for watching. I promise you I will not be wearing this ridiculous hat in my next video, so I'll see you there. Thanks, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody.